PACHAREE. I am the founder and head designer of the jewelry brand PACHAREE. Today I'm showing you my treasure box of 6 different themes of jewelry that you must have. Number 1, statement earrings. There are a few pairs that I'd like to show you. The very first pair are these maximise earrings. The oversized scale of these earrings makes it perfect for earrings that stand out when you need them. So when you have a simple outfit, just one pop of statement earrings, and that's all you need. So the very first pair are classic timeless mabe pearl with hand textured details. Now the second pair, if you want something a little bit more fun, we do have Queen of Tassel from our latest collection. These tassels earrings are perfect for beach wedding, formal events, or just to have fun. The last statement earrings that I wanted to show you are these Baroque shaped pearls. They're not from the same pair. I just wanted to show you the shorter earrings versus the longer earrings. They are perfect statement pieces because the Baroque shaped pearls are so stunning in terms of its scale. Second, great bangles to wear every day. I love bangles, so I do have a few that I'd like to stack them over. What I'm currently having on, so these classic bangles, but also some chain bracelets to add a bit of a kind of diversity to the piece. These are just super fun, so you can wear them every day and it goes with any outfit. Just go ahead and stack them, don't stop. Look, the more, the merrier. What people tend to forget in terms of jewelry are actually bangles. But I really feel like they are the queen of sophistication. You can wear this in your office, you can wear this in your evening gown. It's just super fun. You can surprise people this way. Finishing it off with a really small studs, and there you go. Number 3, don't play safe when it comes to ring. At PACHAREE, we created really strong hand-sculpted pieces like the carry ring that I've mentioned earlier. You can stack them, mixing the family of gemstones and pearl this way. You can stack the higher ring with a shorter ring. You can keep adding them like you did with the bangles. Just love them. But the important thing is you really need to invest in hand-sculpted pieces, statement rings that really stand out. Don't settle for boring rings. Number 4, add fun on your neckline with great layering. So with layering, what you can do is always start with the smallest scale piece. Like this one, what we have here is a small alphabet necklace. You can start there and wear it in the highest length in your neckline, following with a second scale or size necklace like these, where you wear them a little bit lower. And wear the largest scale size necklace or scale size pendant as the last necklace that you have on. There you go. Another thing to add though is to play around with colors. What you see here is we have pearls, we have emeralds, and then we have more of a gold detail. So this way it adds a bit of like fun and diversity to your neckline. Number 5, modern pearl necklaces. Never settle for boring round pearl. always look for modern, contemporary pearls to add a little bit of fun to classic. What we have here is our clone pearl necklace. So this is something you really need in your wardrobe. It's a great throw on for a casual day, but also for a formal attire. You can add another chain necklace as a layering piece to it. Just like this. And you can wear this to the beach, to a party or a night out. Just add a bit of like interesting fun vibe to your wardrobe. Another modern pearl necklace that you must have is our pearl chain necklace. This is where we individually create these links made of all pearls, uneven. So again, it's adding that kind of contemporary and modern feel to the pearl necklace. So you can wear the necklace this way, a bit more loose or more tight as a choker, and layer another alphabet necklace like I showed you earlier. You can also wear the back as the front if you want a bit of a more kind of like a cooler vibe, showing kind of the hardware gold details there. You can also hang a pendant here if you want. A really, really fun look that I love. Number 6, play around with your chains. Play around with a small chain necklace that you have by adding another pendant to it. And you can do this with like pendants of different colors, of the alphabet, or different kind of designs and aesthetic altogether. But in this case, what I'm doing here is adding the bigger alphabet into a small alphabet necklace. There you go, and you have a new necklace. Super cute. What I love about the long chain necklaces is that the flexibility of how you can style them when you wear them long like this. It just gives that kind of a boho feel to the outfit. If you want it a bit shorter, depending on your clothing line, you can wrap the chain around your neck twice, and it's going to create a completely different look.